Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to deal with some of the questions from geometric mean. First, let us understand what is a geometric mean. Suppose A, B, C are in GP. Then here B is called the geometric mean of geometric mean. In short, it is known as GM of A and C. Okay, so now if I go by definition, I know B by A it is equal to C by B. This is by definition, right? Now here you see, if I cross multiply the things, then B square will be equal to AC and B equals to square root of AC. B is nothing but our GM. So GM of A and C is given by under root A and C. So if I go like this, if I ask you, suppose GM of 3 and 9, okay, so it will be square root of 3 and 9, which is under root of 27, 3 root 3. Similarly, if I go further and ask you what is GM of 10 and 20, so answer is simply under root 10 multiplied by 20, which is equal to under root 200, and the answer will be 10 root 2. Clear? Now remember one thing, if I ask you what is GM of minus 4 and suppose 9, it is square root of minus 4 into 9, which becomes the things to be undefined, not defined, right? So this is the concept of GM. Now let us solve some allied problems with GM. Okay, so everybody see questions on GM. Questions will be asked like this. The first question is insert, right? Question goes like this: insert 3 numbers between 1 and 81 such that the resulting sequence is in GP. Okay, so let us solve this one. Our given numbers are, if I go like this, let the inserted numbers be G1, G2 and G3. Okay, now according to the question, if I insert G1, G2 and G3, first number will be 1, then this one will be G1, G2 and it will be G3, and last number will be 81, right? Now if it is so, then we can write in this way, comparing. If I compare the things, then first number is A, second number is AR, third number is AR square and AR cube, and it is AR to the power 4. Clear? So if I go like this and compare it in this way, so we get here A equals to 1 and AR to the power 4, it is equal to 81. And if I put A equals to 1 into R to the power 4 equals to 81, and I get here R to the power 4, it is equal to 81. Now if R to the power 4 is 81, I can easily write that R equals to 81 to the power 1 by 4, which is equal to 3. Therefore I get A equals to 1 and R equals to 3. Okay, now you see here the numbers are G1 it is equal to AR, which is 1 into 3, again it is 3, and second number is G2, and G2 is given by AR square, which is 1 into 3 square, which is 9, and G3, it is equal to AR cube, which is 1 into 3 cube, which is equal to 27. So therefore the required numbers are 3, 9 and 27. Have a look at this once again. Insert 3 numbers. I have taken as G1, G2, G3 and have the solution. You also rewind this video again and again to make the notes. ठीक है, पॉज करके अपना नोट्स बना लीजिए. Now look at this. Another question I am going to solve. Suppose question will be asked like this: if the GM between A and B is given by A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 divided by A to the power n minus 1 plus B to the power n minus 1, then find n. Clear? I repeat the things: A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n minus 1 n plus 1 divided by A to the power n minus 1 plus B to the power n minus 1. This is the GM. ठीक है, so now let us proceed. According to the question, here I get GM of, this is the solution, GM of A and B, it is given by A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 divided by A to the power n minus 1 plus B to the power n minus 1. And you know this is nothing but root under AB, which is A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 divided by A to the power n minus 1 plus B to the power n minus 1. Now in the next step, what you do is write this one as A to the power half multiplied by B to the power half. It is equal to A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 whole divided by A to the power n minus 1 plus B to the power n minus 1. Now cross multiply A to the power half plus B to the power half. Sorry, here there is a change here. A to the power half into B to the power half whole into A to the power n minus 1 plus B to the power n minus 1. It is equal to A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1. Now let us see. If I do it, then it will be A to the power half B to the power half into A to the power n minus 1 plus, sorry, the question was actually I had written wrong. ये क्वेश्चन में ऐसा नहीं था, राइट? इट वाज A to the power n plus B to the power n. Let me make the correction. It is A to the power n plus B to the power n. Here also I have to make the correction. A to the power n plus B to the power n. Here also A to the power n plus B to the power n. Now if I go on like this, here also it will be A to the power n. Okay, so it was a mistake in the writing the question. So here it is A to the power n plus A to the power half into B to the power half into B to the power n. It is equal to A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1. Okay, so now लेट मी डू ए बिट ऑफ ट्रिक. हमने क्या किया इसको, प्लीज सी, a to the power half into b to the power half into a to the power n minus this term I have brought it in the left hand side, a to the power n plus 1. It is equal to b to the power n plus 1 minus a to the power half b to the power half into b to the power n. So what you do here, now a to the power half b to the power half into a to the power n minus a to the power n into a. It is equal to b to the power n into b minus a to the power half into b to the power half into b to the power n. Now you take common. I can take here a to the power half into a to the power n common from this. What will be left is b to the power half minus a to the power half. It is equal to, similarly I can take here b to the power n into b to the power half common. What will be left is b to the power half minus a to the power half. If it is so, then I can proceed. Here these two are getting cancelled simply. Now here I can write it is a to the power n plus half. It is equal to b to the power n plus half. Now in the next step, what you do, you write it in this way, n plus half divided by b to the power n plus half, it is equal to 1, right? Now if it is so, a by b whole to the power n plus half, it is equal to 1, or I get a by b whole to the power n plus half, it is equal to a by b to the power 0. That means n plus half, it is equal to 0, and I get n equals to minus half. So this is the final answer, minus half. N value will be minus half. You also again and again scroll this, rewind this video to complete the notes. Clear? So let me solve another question. This is question. The question states that if the sum of two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean, then prove that the numbers are in the ratio 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, so let me solve this one. According to the question here, sum of two numbers. First I'll let the numbers be x and y. Then according to the question here, sum of two numbers, that is x plus y, is 6 times gm. Okay, so x plus y, it is equal to 6 times geometric mean is under root of xy. Okay, so now our job is to, whenever we are having x plus y, you should always try to get x minus y. Okay, so for that I have a formula. The formula goes like this: x minus y whole square, I repeat, x minus y whole square, it is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. So it will be 6x plus y की जगह मैंने पुट किया 6 रूट अंडर xy होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4xy, which is equal to 32xy minus 4xy, 36xy, sorry here, and total answer will be 32xy. Now if x minus y whole square is this, then I can write, therefore x minus y will be equal to square root of 32xy, which is implying x minus y square root of 32, it is nothing but your 4 root 2 into xy. Now I have got two values, x plus y and x minus y. So in that case, whenever questions are related to GM, then you do one thing, find the ratio. The ratio states that x plus y divided by x minus y, it is equal to, x plus y था हमारा 6 रूट एक्स वाई डिवाइडेड बाई ये हो गया 4 रूट 2 इंटू रूट एक्स वाई. नाउ आई कैन ईजिली गेट दैट दिस टू आर गेटिंग कैंसल्ड. फिर हमें बचा एक्स प्लस वाई डिवाइडेड बाई एक्स माइनस वाई, इट इज इक्वल टू कैंसल the terms and I will get 3 by 2 root 2. Now there is a rule called componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo rule. ठीक है, it states that if a by b equals to c by d, then it will imply that sum of ab by difference of AB, it is equal to sum of CD divided by difference of CD. If I apply C and D here, apply C and D rule, ठीक है, that is componendo and dividendo rule. So that is sum of these two, that is x plus y plus x minus y divided by x plus y minus x minus y, it is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. So I get here, if I cancel 2x divided by 2y, it is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. If it is so, then I can write here 2 are getting cancelled. So the numbers are in the ratio, that is x by y, it is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. Clear? So this is the proof of that question, which was asking that the numbers are in the ratio of 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, a similar kind of question is there. Let me solve. This is the last question for today. The question goes like this. Here, if A and G are the AM and GM of two numbers, then prove that the numbers are A plus minus under root A plus G whole into A minus G. Okay, so let me prove it. Let the numbers be x and y. According to the question, AM it is equal to A. So इससे हमें एक डाटा मिलता है x plus y by 2 it is equal to A, or I get x plus y it is equal to 2A. Okay, now here also GM is given to be G, or I get under root of xy it is equal to G, or I get xy it is equal to G square. ठीक है, now if it is so, then we can write x minus y whole square it is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4x, plus x minus y whole square equals to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. X plus y whole square I can write it as 2a whole square minus 4 times, in place of x square I can write g square. So it is 4a square minus 4g square, which is 4 times a square minus g square, right? Now here you see we get x plus y it is equal to 2a and by x minus y ratio ले लेना whole divided by 4 whole into a square minus g square. ठीक है, एक्चुअली हियर देयर इज ए मिस्टेक. अभी हमें क्या करना होगा, लेट मी इरेज दिस one step I have skipped. Therefore I get x minus y, it is equal to 2 root under a square minus g square. Now students, you see we are getting ratio is x plus y divided by x minus y, it is equal to 2a divided by 2 root under a square minus g square. So apply componendo and dividendo rule. If I apply componendo and dividendo rule, this is x plus y plus x minus y divided by x plus y minus x minus y, it is equal to 2a plus 2 root under a square minus g square divided by 2a minus 2 root under a square minus g square. So simply if I solve it, then I get here 2x by 2y, it is equal to, I can take 2 common, this is a plus under root of a square minus g square divided by 2 whole into a minus under root of a square minus g square. ठीक है, then 2 getting cancelled, here also 2 getting cancelled. ठीक है, that implies we get x by y, that is the number x by y, it is equal to a plus under root a square minus g square divided by a minus under root a square minus g square. If I compare, on comparison, I get x and y are a plus minus under root of a square minus g square, that is a plus minus under root of a plus g whole into a minus g. So students, this is the solution of this kind of questions. You just scroll this one, आप scroll करते जाना, and whatever the solutions are there, you make a note of that. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you very much.